In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find tags on Fiverr gigs. If you've ever wondered how top gigs get discovered, their tags are a big part of it. Today, we'll walk through a simple, repeatable process to see the tags a seller attached to a specific gig, so you can better understand what keywords are working in your niche. First, go to Google. This is the quickest way to get to the platform if you don't already have it bookmarked. In the search bar, type Fiverr. You'll see the official Fiverr website appear at the top of the results. Click on that to open the site. If you're already logged in, great. If not, you can still follow along without signing in. Once you're on Fiverr, let's open a gig by starting with a search. In the site's search box, enter resume writing. This example works well because it's a common service with lots of gigs, making it easy to find what we're looking for. Press Enter to view the results, and then click on the Resume Writing option, or the matching category that appears. This will take you to a results page full of relevant gigs from different freelancers. From here, click on any single gig that looks established and relevant to what you're researching. It's helpful to choose one with clear reviews and a descriptive title so the tags you see later make sense in context. Now that the gig page is open, we're going to locate the tags the freelancer used. To do that, scroll down on the gig page. Keep going past the gig images, the pricing packages, and the description. You're looking for a section labeled Related Tags. On desktop, this typically appears below the main content of the gig. On mobile, you may need to expand sections or scroll a bit further, but it's there. When you reach Related Tags, you'll see a list of keywords associated with that gig. These are the tags the seller chose to help their service show up in search. Read through them and note the phrases that align with your niche and your audience's search intent. Treat these as inspiration, not a checklist. The best results come from choosing tags that accurately describe your own service, deliverable, and industry. Relevance and clarity beat random keyword stuffing every time. That's it. By searching for a service, opening a gig, and scrolling to related tags, you can quickly gather real-world keyword ideas. Repeat this with a few top gigs in your category to spot patterns, then refine your own tags accordingly.